What do you want, man?
Tom, I just have one question for you. Why do you hate me?
A year ago, I had the honor, the opportunity to build a custom keyboard with Tommy in it.
Is this about to be the funniest keyboard building ever?
Not even 2 months later, I saw him fronting another keyboard whilst his custom lay grounded. I don't think too much of it, you know, a few months pass. And then, I see this tweet out of nowhere. What is this? Where's the top case? How in the... Combining all of this evidence, it is clear to see that Tommy hates me. So I made him this giant keyboard as atonement. Yeah. But first... we need big keyboard parts, which is why I bought this Red Dragon K605. Sure, this would be a hit in the office. Sorry, Barry, wait, are you saying something? Sorry, I can't hear you over the... Oh, this is gonna take a lot of effort, isn't it? Alright, here we go. Yeah. I don't usually have any issue removing keycaps. This was a pain. It should have been an indicator for how frustrating the rest of this build was gonna be. I didn't take the cue.
Okay, do I just like...
First of many problems, trying to figure out how I even open the keyboard.
It is super easy to just take apart just like that.
Super easy, you say? Come on. Oh. Haha! Hey!
Alright. Right, this thing you're looking at right now, this thing right here, this was the shortest lived victory in all of Glarses history because...
Yeah! Oh, and just as I thought. We have to desolder 2 of these switch pins and then 4 of the LEDs. So every switch takes 6 joints to desolder. That's like 360 joints. 366 even. Wait, is that maths right? 60 times 61. Yeah, it's close enough. It's yeah. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Switch number 1. Oh no, this is what I was scared of. Oh, I didn't desolder that one.
He was pulling out the wrong switch. It gets way worse.
Yes! Okay, 1 LED out. How huge that LED is. And now, hopefully, the switch should come out. Oh my god, okay.
I tried everything to get that switch out. I tried begging.
Please just come out.
I tried singing to it for some reason.
This is gonna take forever. Oh, it's like it wants to come out, but it doesn't. Oh. Right, our good old friend, the cherry mix brown. And this.
Yeah, those are laughs of pain. That took 2 hours. Yeah. Try as I might, I was not getting the hang of this.
How is he doing that? Jake, how are you doing that so... Okay, no. Come on, please!
Oh, I'm just weak. That's a good revelation to have.
Oh, I'm done. I still have like 50 more things to do, but... Yeah! It's here. 1, 2, 3. I actually don't know if my ironing board can take this.
Taking out all of the parts I need for the giant keyboard, now I need to put them in something.
So again, shout out to PCBWAY, always helping me make crazy stuff. If you guys at home ever want to do like custom PCBs or, you know, CNC cases or whatnot, I fully recommend them. Thank you again, PCBWAY. I love you guys.
And that thing in particular is a 1-of-1 custom F1 6XL.
Holy moly, that's a big plate. Woo! Ooh, okay, I gotta blur this out, but this is the special surprise for Mr. Innit. You can go.
That was David's fault. Bro, I'm not even in this video. What do you mean? When did you get here?
Yeah. How do I get these out? Now, normally, plate mount slabs, you just push that tab and it would release like that. Well.
This is crazy. All right, this is your normal kinky inky winky 2U stabilizer. You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about versus her brother. 2-5 grade 0. It was all fun and games until...
Oh, damn it. Okay, so something we missed out in design. Regular stabilizers, right, you just plop the plate through the hole and they work. But plate mount stabilizers, you need to pass the wire through the top of the plate. Our little mistake here, we forgot to do that. So now, we're gonna have to do some DIY to make this work. Ooh. Oh my. There you go. I have made an executive decision. Leave out all of the 2U stabilizers and just do the spacebar one, and you'll see why.
After what felt like 7 years, I'm finally reassembling the switches of the new plate.
Holy moly, it actually fits.
I soldered in a few switches for support, got down to work. It was a weird experience soldering this board. You really had to flip it around and find a comfortable angle of attack.
Plate, PCB, finished. Now, we need to assemble the board. So, look, first thing missing are those glorious weights.
Since this board is based off Tommy's original board,
Oh, it's loud, it's scary.
we had to include weights similar to that one.
The original F1 uses an O-ring mount that's cut to size. Now, if you can see inside this case, the O-rings that are needed are super thick. Obviously, with super thick O-rings, you need super thick cord. So, right, I'm just gonna cut a big bit off and then cut this one properly down to size.
I don't really know why, but at this last part of the build, I started to feel really nostalgic.
This reminds me of when I was doing this the first time with Tommy, and how fun it was trying to, you know, get him to actually build it. Oh yeah, good times. Good times.
It's been 7 hours. My back is no longer existent. But the board is done. I just really hope Tommy likes it.
Tommy, is it what I said about the...
Glarses, how did you...
Was it David? Did he annoy you? I could remove him, honestly. He doesn't have to be here. Maybe it was the keyboard, you didn't like it?
What?
I could get you a new one.
Really, no, I really like the keyboard.
No, I can get you a new one, it's fine.
No, it was really
was it
nice.
Kind of like fit? Did you not? Was that not funny?
I mean, no, I
did you not really?
I didn't like.
I'm so sorry. Maybe it's my face.
Why?
Not like my
Glarses.
Yes.
Why have you just? What do you want, mate?
Tommy.
Yes.
What does this mean to you?
That's my keyboard. That is a photo of my keyboard.
I sent this to you May 28th at 1:07, the 4th second. In response to me sending you this image, you replied, "Ha ×3. It all fell apart a bit because of me." Tommy, I just have one question for you.
Yeah.
Why do you hate me?
Mate, I don't hate you. What are you on about?
You ruined the keyboard that we made. I assumed it was because you didn't like it.
No, I didn't. I didn't ruin it. The top bit came off very naturally, and then it looked like some computer from Star Wars. It looks way cooler now. I fixed it, if anything.
I just want to know that Glarses and Strong TI are still friends.
Yeah, we're better than ever.
I spent all of the money in my overdraft, and I built you a custom keyboard.
Another?
I'm gonna bring it in.
What? Really? Why would you possibly not say that?
Glarses Company is proud to present our gift to you. It's quite light. Ta-da!
Oh, it's so heavy.
What I think would be fun, seeing if you can beat the bottom score on leaderboard with that keyboard. Are you ready to make your second appearance?
Ready.
3, 2, 1.
If any of you guys are wondering, can I buy this keyboard? Yes, you can, because of today's sponsor, Shopify.
You want to sell something online? Use Shopify. Shopify is an easy-to-use, all-in-one commerce platform for running your business. Okay, I'm not currently at home. I'm actually in for some stuff that I'm gonna bleep that. I'll let you find out next week. In week 4 of the Glarses somewhere around.
This is so hard.
You've seen me do a bunch of stuff for Shopify now. Grower caps, 1P keyboards. Now you can add your Shopify store straight to your YouTube account, and you can directly sell those products straight to your viewers. It's so sick.
Okay. How was that?
You have to like see what the word was. And it's like you have to like first go right. What's the word, and then do it again. It was really hard.
This is the leaderboard, as you have seen before.
I know a bunch of you guys asked me after I made the triple keyboard, will you sell this? And I said no, it's big and it's expensive, but I will put one of these giant keyboards you saw in this video up for auction. Yes, it has a reserve price, so don't try and lowball me, but if it does meet that reserve price, I will fly out to wherever that person lives and help them build the keyboard, because it's quite difficult to do. Check my link in the description for 14 days free. Once again, thank you so much, Shopify.
Tommy in it. Bracket.
Big boy.
Big boy. For reference, you originally went at the top of the leaderboard with 116 words per minute on a regular sized keyboard.
I think I'll be just above Tubbo, but below Jack.
Confident? Confident. You want another try?
No.
You, Mr. Confidence, you did it with a score. You had 13 words per minute.
This is, my legs are like, I'm getting pins and needles. My legs are like actually going.
Okay, you can flip the keyboard. Oh wait, no. Oh, I almost forgot. Yes. How you feeling?
But I've told you repeatedly, my leg is going dead.
Weather's been nice, hasn't it?
I'm turning around.
Do you remember what you saw at the start of our first keyboard build? I know you will, because you're friends.
No, I'm turning it around.
It's you! You know, how things start, that's how they end. Don't you like it?
This is offensive.
It's you.
No.
You consider yourself to be offensive.
I'm not strong enough to...
So you like it? Oh, no, it's not holding it. Okay.
Leave you with this.
Yeah, okay.
And I'm gonna leave for good.
Friends. Close friends. Strong TI, Glarses, more adventures in the future. I can bring a Cadillac next time. I'll save up money. Tommy, I'll save up money. Call me. Go call me. I'm still out like £3,000 for this keyboard.